welcome back to my channel, guys. It's been a while. I thought, since we're in Utah, we should do something we haven't done before, which is a taste test from a place we have never been, which is Trader Joe's. So, we're doing a mukbang / taste test today. So, first up, we have organic nacho cheese flavored corn tortilla chips. I'm kind of excited about this. How do you feel like Doritos?
Oh, maybe.
It is like Doritos.
It is.
Actually, really good.
Yeah, all Doritos are really just chips right now.
Alright, so first one down. How would you rate the chips, guys?
Chips 10 I'll do 4.5. 7.5. Oh, out of 10 then.
7.5.
Yeah, I guess I'll do 7. It tastes basically Doritos.
Yeah. Alright, next up, we have watermelon jerky. There's a piece.
Oh, yeah. This looks like beef jerky, which makes me scared.
Yeah, and
Well,
it has
it's
seeds.
jerky.
Yeah, beef jerky, no.
Oh,
It actually smells pretty good.
Smells maybe
It smells like
oh, I'm done.
You don't like it?
Yep.
Why does it taste like Fruit Brothers?
What's a Fruit Loops are?
Yeah.
Thumbs down.
Tastes good.
Well, I like it. I don't even like watermelon, so.
Nacho cheese right there.
It's good for the first one.
I think we should. He ate.
Okay, how about the watermelon jerky?
I'll give
That
that
a 2.
a 3.
2, 3. What about you?
I'll give it a 3.
0.
Rolled corn tortilla chips,
Oh.
chili and lime flavored.
Oh.
So basically, Takis.
This is gonna be fun. I'm glad I have that.
Someone said this.
What's up? Is it spicy?
Hey, can't say. Pass it on.
Oh, she can say.
Oh,
I really like these.
I really hope next. Oh no.
Pass it down.
Oh yeah.
Pass it down. And this one's for me.
So,
I'm just chuckling.
ever lean back a little bit? I want to see the reactions. It hurts to make chapped lips a little bit, but
Yeah. I like them. I give this a 4.
4.
And
No, I'd give it 8.7 probably.
I'll give it. I give it a 4.5.
I would give it like a 6 if it weren't spicy.
Yeah.
Because the spicy kind
It
of
tastes a little
mine.
different.
If it weren't spicy, I'd give it a 6.
Kalia, what would you give it?
I won't say it's very good, but I won't say it's bad. I'll give it a 9.
Oh, 9. Alrighty. Next up is Scandinavian Swimmers.
It sounds like Swedish fish.
They're gummy candy. Some of them, I've had these before, so
I'm sure they're Swedish fish.
I like them.
Well, it doesn't seem for the Doritos, the Takis.
I have no idea.
Say those Takis
They
are
don't get
so
sweet
good.
because they're not the same.
Oh,
If they named them Doritos, so there's, guys, there's blue, red, orange, and yellow ones.
I'll take one of each.
Pass that down to Maria.
Frank, you want color blue?
what?
Am I the only one who knows how this works?
Pass it down. She said that
What color is it? Yellow.
is yellow.
I got one that's been in a mouth. I still don't want it.
2.
What?
So good. It tastes just like Swedish fish.
It tastes exactly like a Scandinavian swimmer though.
Wow, crazy.
Taco early.
How
I
do you
give
rate
it
that
an
one?
8.
8. I give it an 8.
8.
Oh, 6 the aftertaste.
Kalia, what would you rate that one?
That's low.
A 4. Usually I would love it, but I don't want to eat meat, so.
She doesn't want to eat animals. Alright.
Oh.
The last two are both chocolate.
Woo!
First one that we're going to try is the milk chocolate covered peanut butter pretzels. Take one.
Break it off. Wishbone. Chocolate. 10. 1.
Wait, you mean
Those are good. What would you rate them?
9.
9.
salty chocolate.
Chocolate chip. Chocolate chip cocoa meringues.
That's Mom's.
The first casualty of war. War.
So cute.
Oh.
It tastes like the marshmallow and Lucky Charms cereal. Careful! Some of the taste of it. Chocolate chips.
I'm going to.
Which one do you guys think is the best? These, obviously.
In second place is
Which one is the worst?
the worst?
Watermelon. The watermelon.
What the heck is it? After my channel. Not edible.
That's the whole video. These can be found at Trader Joe's. They're all pretty good. I would not recommend getting watermelon. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of this. Want some more of this? Stop. But that's it for today. I don't know. I'm putting up the next one, but we'll see. Wave everybody.